Okay guys, this is unit 4. This is over commission. Number 1 says a 6% commission was charged by the broker for the sale of a lot that sold for $500,000. The commission was divided as follows: 10% to the salesperson getting the listing, 1/2 of the balance to the salesperson making the sale, and the remainder to the broker. What was the amount of the commission earned by the salesperson making the sale? So when you're dealing with commission, always start with the sales price, which in this case is $500,000. The commission charged was 6%, so we're going to multiply by the commission rate, which is 6% or 0.06. You do the math on that. The total commission is $30,000. Okay, so we are looking for the salesperson making the sale. The person who got the listing agent, got 10% of the total commission. So we're going to take that, the listing agent's 10% out. So $30,000 total commission times 10%. This is the list agent. So the listing agent, commission rate for listing agent, the listing agent got $3,000. Okay, it says 1/2 of the balance to the sales person making the sale. So we have to find what is left over. So the total commission was $30,000. We are going to take the $3,000 listing agent's commission out of that. So if we take total commission, which was $30,000, subtract out the listing agent's part, that leaves $27,000. And it said the person making the sale got 1/2 of that. So we need to divide that by 2, which is $13,500. This is the buyer's agent commission. So your answer is B. Number 2 says, what is the selling price of a house if the salesperson received $10,000 as her half of the 5% commission charged by the broker? Okay, so we do not have the sales price on this. That's what we are looking for, so we are going to work backwards. Okay, so we know that the commission charged, the commission rate, total commission rate was 5%. The salesperson received $10,000 as her half. So we need to find half of 5%. We divide 5% by 2. That's 2.5%. So this is the salesperson's commission rate. She got 2.5, she or he. So we know that their commission was $10,000, and we know that they charged 2.5%. We are going to divide this because we're looking for the sales price, a bigger number. We're going to divide by 0.025. So this was the commission. We're going to divide it by the commission rate that they received. And when you do that, you get $400,000. This was the sales price. So your answer is C. Number 3 says a house recently sold for $490,000 and the total commission was 6.5 of that amount. The broker received 3/4 of that amount and the salesperson received 1/4. How much was the broker's commission? So we can go ahead and get rid of the salesperson. We don't need them. That is just additional information we don't need to worry about. So let's start with the sales price, which was $490,000. We know that the commission rate was 6.5%. So we multiply by 0.065. This was the commission rate to find out how much the commission was. When you do the math on that, that is $31,850. And we know that the broker received 3/4 of that amount. Well, 3/4, need to make that a decimal. 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. And you can think of that as 3/4. 3/4 in a dollar is 75 cents. So we need to multiply that by 0.75. That was his portion of the commission. So when you do that on your calculator, you get $23,887.50. So your answer is A. Number 4 says a salesperson received $7,875 as his half of his broker's 7% commission on a sale. The sales price was, so we are looking for the sales price, and we're going to have to look back to work backwards. We know that his portion of commission was $78.75. That was his part of the commission. We also know that the total commission charge was 7%, and he got half. It says he got half of that commission. So if we take 7% and divide it by 2, sorry guys, we get 3.5%. So that was his portion of the commission. That was his commission rate, was 3.5%. So in order to find the sales price, we can divide by 0.035 or 3.5%. That was his commission rate. When you do that, you get $2.25 as the sales price. So your answer is B. Okay, number 5 says 2 cooperating brokers split the 6% commission on a sale equally. Broker A paid her salesperson $8,600 as his 60% of the broker's share. The sales price of the property was, okay, so we know, we're looking for the sales price again. So we know that the salesperson received $8,600 as their part of commission. Okay, we know that he got 60% of the broker split. So we can divide this by 0.6 to get the full commission. So when you do that, that is $14,333. So that was broker A's commission. Okay, we also know that the broker split was 6%. But it was split by 2 brokers equally. So the total commission rate was 6%. They split it equally. So broker A's commission rate was 3%. So we can divide this by the 3%. This is broker A's commission rate. And that gives you a sales price of $477,778, which is, oh, I rounded to the nearest dollar. I'm sorry. The answer is B.